The parents of the student who caused the Oxford High School tragedy are now facing charges. These are ethancrumbley's parents. They have just been charged with 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter after what happened at Oxford High School. Apparently, the firearm that Ethan used to cause the tragedy was bought by his father just this Black Friday. A week before the purchase of the firearm, one of Ethan's teachers caught him looking at ammunition on his cell phone in class. She reported it to school officials, and school officials contacted Ethan's mother but got no response. Allegedly, Ethan's mother texted Ethan that day that he had to learn not to get caught. It's not currently known if the involuntary manslaughter charges are going to stick, but I'll keep you updated as more comes out.